Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a capable VPN and an active Prime account. Choose a provider with streaming-optimized servers in the country whose catalog you want. Once you have the subscription, install the VPN app on the device you'll use and log in. Make sure to close the Amazon app or clear the browser cache before proceeding. This prevents location tokens from sticking. Next, pick a nearby high-speed server in the target country, rather than the farthest one to reduce buffering and maintain quality. Now configure the VPN for streaming. Enable the kill switch so traffic won't leak if the connection drops, and choose OpenVPN or WireGuard for stability. Connect to a server explicitly labeled for streaming in the target country. Once connected, confirm your IP and location via a simple IP check. Make sure the VPN app is routing DNS through the provider's secure servers to avoid GeoDNS leaks. Once all settings look good, reopen Amazon Prime and try loading a title from the target catalog. To finish, stream a show and confirm video playback without errors. If playback fails, first switch to a different streaming-optimized server in the same country and reload Prime. If you still see geo-blocking, clear cookies, use an incognito window, or sign out and sign back in. Make sure IP6 is disabled or routed through the VPN to prevent leaks. If issues persist, collect diagnostic logs and contact your VPN support. They can recommend specific servers or settings optimized for Amazon Prime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.